The Aston Martin Vanquish S needs very little introduction. It's the last production car that was manufactured here at Aston Martin Works at Newport, Pagnell. Features obviously that fantastic V12 engine, 6 litre, 520 horsepower, and is a real tour de force. And obviously it was featured in a Bond film, which could be no bad thing for any Aston Martin model. This particular car behind me is a 2005 model car, has only had 3 owners, complete with this original service book, comes with almost every MOT the car's ever had in its life, and recently serviced by ourselves here at Aston Martin Works. So from a provenance point of view, it doesn't really get any better. UK supplied, beautifully looked after by all the previous owners, and obviously now being sold back at Aston Martin Works, where the car started off life back in 2005. The manual conversion that we complete here at Aston Martin Works is world renowned. We have cars coming from all 4 corners of the world back to Aston Martin to have their cars converted to manual specification. And it's a fully engineered, fully developed, fully approved and tested manual conversion. Underneath the skin, it has this bonded aluminium structure with a centre spar that's carbon fibre. And carbon fibre also employed in the front and rear crash structures. Vanquish was a fantastic product when we launched it, but of course the S took it to another level. We had improved brakes, ride, handling, and aerodynamics package, which actually drove the car down onto the ground at much higher speed. So this really was the last of the hand-built, true sports GT cars from Newport Pagnell.